Catriona. Ano, wala kang red lip. Meron nga. Yun lang hiya sa red lipstick eh. Patingihin.
Congratulations to the new Miss Universe 2018. Congratulations, Kat, and congratulations to Philippines. I recreated her makeup look and I hope you guys like it.
I am going to put MAC paint in Bare Canvas as my primer. So I reshaped my brows as much as I could. I'm just gonna clean it up a bit later. Kasi pa sideways tong front na hindi box type like mine. Anyways, this is Benefit Give Me Brow in number 3. It's a brow volumizing fiber gel. I like this kasi mas nade-define yung brow hairs mo. And she looks like she has, like, you know, yun nga yung Japanese brows, like full and boxed and like straight lang. So I like this. Just dito kasi I don't have hair sa front ng kilay ko. So on my crease, I'm going to use burnt orange because I think she has that warm eyeshadow on her entire crease, which is very refreshing, I find. I guess because she's gonna wear red, because usually it's always like smoky eyes, and it's very refreshing to see like a foiled eyeshadow and a warm eye. I wonder if it meant anything. I know that she's very cultural in that Tagalog. Laging may meaning yung mga sinusuot niya, or like that lava walk, they called it kasi galing siyang Bicol, so it's lava walk for the mayon. And then the dress, the red dress, is because of the pathway of the lava. What else ba? And the 3 stars and a sun na earrings, actually a good touch as well. It's very nice of her to really represent, and kahit yung costume niya, very well thought of. And ang funny, no, ang dami kasing nakakatawa. Parang yung look niya, sabi ng mga friends ko, parang inspired by Jessica Rabbit. So without any product, I'm just gonna put that like that. Blend it out. And then for the actual crease here, I'm gonna use Sienna. Make it warmer and darker. Ayan. What is your favorite meme about the Miss Universe? Natatawa ko din sa mga lahat na kukonek natin, no? I mean, yung gown ni Catriona is red, which parang completes daw the flag of the Philippines, because we have yellow nung sino ba yun? Yellow, and then we have white for Margie Moran, and then we have blue for P-Words back, and then red for her. Ang funny lang na wow, nakokonek natin lahat yun. Tapos, I'm gonna use rustic. This darker shade pa. Dito lang, medyo lang, dito lang sa outer corners actually. And then outer corners, ito ng konti. Outer corners, outer corners. Outer corner, outer corner. And then kukonek ko lang. Then I'm gonna use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Greed. And then I'm gonna put this sa gitna, which is my center lid. So I'm gonna slide it para talaga yung color payoff niya makita. So I'm gonna press and slide. Then I'm gonna shape the corners. So I'm gonna wet my brush with my MAC Fix Plus. But super diluted. I'm gonna scrape on the back of my hand and then dip it. I really want it to be super wet. I'm gonna grab bronze here, and same concept. I'm gonna press and slide. See, when you do this technique, which is actually from Dress Your Face, she likes doing this technique, eh? Press and slide. It gives you a really non-chunky but like really shimmery finish. Do you actually like Catriona's fresh take on makeup, like foiled eyeshadow look? Like, it's very new. I wonder who her makeup artist was. And para maging foiled pa siya lalo, I'm going to put something on top. And this has been my current favorite. And I like this Super Shock shadow. Yung texture niya maganda. Saka mas madali siyang, well, for sanitary purpose, ang hirap pag sa clients. Pero on yourself, parang you can just use your fingers. And then, put it on. Kasi on camera, Catriona's makeup, talagang it shimmers. And it's a bit chunky. Yun nga, foiled. Foiled yung look niya. I was looking at the camera and I feel like it looks foiled now, but I think that her look here is really like, it has like really chunky glitter on it. So I'm gonna use this Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay. I'm just gonna put it on top and then press it with my fingers. I am going to line my lash line using MAC Definitely Black eyeliner. And then using a smudger brush, I'm just gonna smudge it out. And then I'm just gonna get Noir and I'm gonna set that in place and maybe smoke it up a bit more because now it has glitters on. I love this color. This is from Japan. Really go close to your roots. So I like it. Now I'm gonna put some mascara. That's the thing with glitters and foiled eyeshadow. It can go to your lashes. So make sure you also coat the front part. For my lashes, I put on Velour Lashes in Serendipity. I love these lashes for my clients and for myself. It's just, it opens up your eyes really well and it's really good on photos. I love it on my brides, I love it on myself, and I have a code for you. I'm just gonna put it here. And then on my waterline, I'm gonna use MAC Eye Kohl in Teddy. Alam niyo yung Miss Canada, maganda rin siya. What do you guys think of Miss Spain? The first transvestite in Miss Universe. In my inner tear duct here, I'm gonna use Fairy. And I've already wet my brush. And dito ko lang siya lalagay. Kasi parang medyo nag-glisten yung inner tear duct ni Cat. Then, foundation na! I'm just gonna do it offline ha, para mas madali. But I'm going to use my Smashbox Studio Skin foundation. So I was charging. So I was also charging my battery. So I also fixed na rin my hair. And I've also put my foundation, which is the Smashbox one. The Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in the color 2.4. And now I am just going to bronze myself up. I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I'm just gonna use this MAC 187. I'm just gonna like really warm my face. because Kat looks tan in her photo. I'm even gonna put it on my cheeks. Kasi parang warm talaga yung overall look niya. So I'm just gonna warm up my face. I'm gonna use a more precise brush. This is the NARS Aita Kabuki brush. So I am going to use the Anastasia powder in, di ko na alam, but I'm gonna put the description down below. Kasi nilagay ko na siya sa ano ko, sa kit ko. So sorry. So I'm just gonna define that cheekbone more. And then other side as well. And on my nose part, oh my god, this is so much fun. Catriona Gray has this button nose. Ang cute, sobra. So she looks like a doll. So I'm gonna try to create that. So I'm gonna line my nose like that. Straight muna. Hindi po parang di ka na makahinga. Kasi yung tangos ng ilong na here eh. Parang anipis. Okay. I'm using a brush na dual fiber na very pointed. Going down. Tapos yung nose niya talaga dito parang V. So I'm gonna do that. Yan. Yung parang di ka na makahinga. Ganyan. And then I'm just gonna blend it down. Blend. And then I'm gonna put dito sa center. Parang mga button nose. Ayan. Ah, yung cute. Diba? Ang cute. And then I'm gonna wipe this. Medyo blend pa natin. Kanina pa ako dumadaldal. Di ko pala hinit yung record. Galing! So, what I did, galing ko, is put Warm Soul Blush from MAC. Ano ko mas maliit na para kita ko? May hirap naman ako. So, what I did, na hindi ko na pinakita, tanga ko lang, I just put this blush. This is from MAC and this is Warm Soul. So, nilagay ko lang siya on top there. Ayan, kung makatayog na tayo. Last but not the least, red lipstick. This is Stila in Piso. Kung ano man siya. Alam nyo guys, nung tinitingnan ko yung picture ni Catriona, parang blue tone yung lipstick niya. Tapos sa pictures, parang orange tone or yellow tone. So, ayan, ginawa ko na lang neutral kasi litong-lito ako. And there you have it, Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray's inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please do like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you! Salamat!